Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to watch cinema in SMC side, and we're going to watch horror, The Nun, because horror is our favorite genre, and we're going to watch with Cassie's brothers, so they're going to come with us. After that we're going to eat maybe, or maybe before. I'm very excited because we're going to bond. Well, I already met his brothers, but this is our first time going like us three together. She has two brothers, so it's gonna be fun. Let's go. And by the way guys, we just hit 66,000 subscribers, so we're very happy about that. It's my baby. She's
Hi guys, thank you for supporting my boyfriend.
Us.
Thank you so much for supporting us and him, especially him.
We haven't been posting vlogs because I've been busy with work and school. She's also very busy with her business as well, so that's why we couldn't post. It's been a month already that we haven't posted, but the views of our past video are still growing, especially the Q&A. So if you haven't watched that, we'll put a link in the description, so go watch it. Go watch it after this video. So we're walking to Andrew now, and here's our kid. She's wearing a white top and baggy jeans, and I'm wearing polo and pink shorts and white shoes. So we're waiting for his brother John and Kurt. We're gonna meet here in Andrew. Maybe we'll eat snacks here because I'm a bit hungry. We're doing massage circus, so we're waiting for our brothers.
Yeah, what's the one?
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Abot kami guys, sana kami sa SMC side. Nagsakay na lang may taxi kay dugay kayo
Ako sa local brother kay nasa sulod kay nagmotor rescue.
Fantastic.
Hi guys.
Thank you. Mana guys? Yes kayo.
Rate.
Nakaratan.
Rate. 1 to 10.
8.
Same.
Mana ang salita guys? So, salita. Same or 8?
7.
Kailangan ng kauban mo.
Love, can we buy one? Hindi na siya ma-depress.
Hindi ba tubangan ako? Close na. Ano tawag yun? Inom dito. Inom dito ko dito mo.
Tapos naman yun eh.
Like kung ano, utang free buy sa Chingkitan.
Oo, ka talaga ito libro gani.
Hindi mo ko kasabot ito, ikaw may nagpalitan to.
Huwag i-shoutout Chichitan.
Shout out Chingkitan, give me a copy of your books in English. Wara.
All from Ukay.
Tandaan. Okay.
Okay, and then my pants and my top. It's from Ukay. And also my bag.
So we're home now and we are sleepy and it's already 10:38. So we're gonna get ready to go to sleep and then we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Alaga,